I'm Ro, your wholesome beauty expert here at Lemon Box Beauty, where we enhance your natural beauty with our natural products. And today we're going to talk about the Lemon Box. When your Lemon Box arrives, you're going to receive 6 full-size items, 2 stickers, hand-drawn and designed by me. Let's start with a much-needed staple with our Strawberry Coconut Lip Scrub. You can easily add this to your skincare routine. Exfoliate, smooth, and soften. After you have beautiful soft lips, you're going to go in with your Cherry Lemon Lip Balm. Our Cherry Lemon Lip Balms are made with mango butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil for much added hydration your lips need. Next, inside your Lemon Box, you're going to receive our iconic Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss. The perfect addition to your lip care routine, this oil-based lip gloss is a must. Next is our Glitter Jelli makeup for hair, face, and body. This one's a great way to add a little extra sparkle. Whether you're doing cute trendy freckles, a little pizzazz in your hair, or a little bit of shoulder action, this glitter is a must for everyone. Next, we're bringing back our most popular scent, Sweet Talk, and it is the scent Strawberry, Coconut, Pineapple, and Aloe. This hydrating natural body mist is a great way to smell good and feel good while you're using it. And next, our newest addition to our lineup, we have our Matcha Mochi Diffusers. These are great because you can hang them in your car, a small closet, or a bathroom, giving you a burst of personalized portable happiness. And of course, we have the sweetest stickers from our V-Day collection, in addition to your Lemon Box, as well hand-drawn and hand-designed by me. So head on over to lemonboxbeauty.com to pre-order yours now. Lemon Box Beauty, your perspectives inside.